Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Magnolia by J J Cale. Beautiful song. I'm tuned to G, G, D, high G. I'll play a little bit of it for you. Okay, that's basically all the main parts. One of the nice things about this song is it uses a major 7th chord, which we don't get to use very often. Major 7th just means you add the 7th note of the major scale. It's really easy to find. Up here on the first chord, this is an F chord, which you could play with one finger if you didn't want a major 7th chord. So this is the 1, this is the 8 because it's an octave. So the major 7th is 1 half step back. So 10, 10, 9 gives you a major 7th chord. And of course that's true up and down the neck, any root note you want. And then the next chord is C major 7th, same shape, 5, 5, 4. Now in the beginning there's a little lick, so you strum the chord once, then you play this lick, 9, 9, 10 on the middle, 7 on the middle. Like that. Then you go down to C major 7th, 5, 5, 4, and the lick is a little different. It's 9 again, 4 on the first string, and then 5 on the middle. So I'll put that all together for you. And it does that again. And then it's into the rhythm. When you do it the second time, you hear that there's a note there. If you're looking for that note, it's up here on the octave of the 4th fret, which would be the 16th fret. Just wiggles it in a half step bend. So from there, the basic rhythm of the song is just 1, 2, 3, 4, but with the accent on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you don't want to get too busy. You can fill it in if you want. But if you start filling in too much, you know, down and up, it'll start to not sound like the song anymore because there's a real gentle feel to the song. When you go to the C, every once in a while there's a lick that you'll hear. And that lick starts on the and. So this is 1, then here's the lick. One way to do it anyway. First finger on 5 on the low string, then second finger on 7 and little finger on 9. Like that. And then you hit 9 again, 10, 12, and then the F chord, F major 7th. And I usually do a figure substitution there like this. I'll do it slow. Because it's kind of tricky to get the timing right. You have to change anyway. So I'll go like that. And by jumping to my first finger, that puts these other fingers are going to fall right into position. So I'll do it real slow. See how that works? 2, 3, Great. The other part of the song is A minor and G, and it's basically still played, but not quite as gently, still 4 beats. A little stronger. I think it goes a couple more times, and then you're back to the F major 7th. And when he goes to the solo, it's back to the A minor and the G. And it's a wonderful song to jam over, and if you're going to jam over the A minor to the G part, you probably want to use A minor pentatonic, which I'll spell out for you here, which would be 2, 5, 7, or 7, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2. Anything like that. Tons of fun to play this song. You have a great day. Bye.